Good morning, YouTube. Glad you made it to the channel this morning. This is the Jim of All Trades channel, and I am Jim. I'm a crypto trader and a forex trader. I trade from an Elliott wave perspective here to help you understand the market. We give daily wave projections, where price is heading for today, and look at the macro view as well as giving you good trade setups. Right now, we've got a great entry into a trade right now is happening. So I want to get this out to you. I'm getting ready to go ahead to meet with my people at my church, and want to get this before before I head out. Now, that being said, also tonight we have a live stream. Don't forget, 9 o'clock tonight, live stream. We're going to be looking at charts. I'm going to be talking about some of the different things we're going to be starting coming up this week. We are going to be starting this week a midweek live stream as well, and it's going to be basically trading night school. I want to begin teaching you guys how to trade, and it's going to be during nighttime when I have time to do it. I want to develop some content as well through this whole process, so we'll talk more about that. So let's just jump into the charts today. Don't forget, this isn't financial advice. This is intended to be educational. I am not sharing with you how you should spend your money. I'm telling you how I spend mine, and if you learn anything from that, fantastic. Let's jump in. Um, Looking at Ethereum first, then we'll look at Litecoin, then we'll take a peek at Bitcoin. Okay, guys, when you start seeing three-wave structures everywhere, what you're dealing with is a WXY. Okay, remember, don't forget to. I was teaching somebody here in another video. Sorry about that. Don't forget that when you see this, that's a simple correction. When it does this and then this, it becomes a complex correction. Okay, that's basically a WXY like that. So that's what we're dealing with, guys. Right here, you can see in Ethereum very clearly. We got a nice, sorry. Let's see, we got a nice three-wave structure here, but then we got another three-wave structure to the downside. Came right to the one extension. Could get it to come down to the 1276, but regardless, we have a nice five waves in here. Looks like it's going to finish up right around here, 163.80 to 166.36. Still looking fine for that. Then we expect a bounce to the upside. What's that bounce going to look like? It's going to look fantastic. Pretty soon it's going to take off eventually. So whenever it finds a bottom, it'll take off, and it's going to look like that, just like that, and that'll be a beautiful finished WXY correction. Most likely that's what's going to happen. You can see my fibs right here. Let me just put them down here. We can expect a target to the up right now. We can expect the target to the upside at the 1-to-1 extension, looking at 190 to 197. Those are our two different targets up there. Let me go ahead and put the target balloons up here. 190.73, and then we have 197.63. All right, so there's your targets for Ethereum. Let's look at Litecoin. Litecoin as well. Same thing with Litecoin. We've got an ABC there, and then we've got an ABC down to the downside. So you got three-wave structure, three-wave structure. We should expect one more three-wave structure to the upside. Guys, remember, after this is over, most likely we're getting oops, sorry. We're getting, I'm trying. Sorry, guys. All right, there we go. We're going to get a big move to the downside. So we're setting up for our final short. So get ready to short when you get to the top of these waves, guys. That's what I'm at least playing. Let's see if I can get here. There we go. All right, so we've got a three-wave structure, looking for a three-wave structure to the upside. You can see how we came down to the 1-to-1 extension here and tagged it. Could get one more push down to the 1276. I don't know if we are or not, but we could be ready for it. So 52.22 is a bottom for Litecoin. Excuse me, that came on me quick. I apologize. Couldn't conceal it. There's a yawn. Excuse me, sorry about that. Also, here's the $53 mark here. We might get the bounce straight away right here. So not sure about that, which one we're going to get, but looks like we're getting a bit of a bounce right here, but we'll have to wait and see. But regardless, we're still looking for a good three-wave entry. This is a great entry for a trade right now. Your stop would be under the 1618, so under $51, because if price comes down here, we're going down lower. Okay, so the beauty of this trade here is that you enter here on these black candles. Hold on, please. Sorry. Okay, you enter into these on this candle here, and then or on these black candles here on these low targets. And once you've entered, your stop your stop area is just right underneath the 1618, very, very close. That's a fantastic entry. So I just want to share that with you. That's the one way we think about trading around here. Now, so if we get some downside, if we start getting downside, it's got to come down here to the 1618 to be considered impulsive. Okay, so an impulse would look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. Still looking at a downside target here of about $48 to $44. Those are my downside targets. So be watching for those. I'm sorry. Wow. They're coming, but I don't have time to redo the video. I apologize. I really do. I hate it, and I try to laugh about it, but it's really a frustrating thing for me. All right, so there's Ethereum. There's Litecoin. Our upside targets are going to be $59 to $60 here. These upside targets are still in play. 59 to 60. Actually, let me throw the fibs on it just to make sure here that the fibs to the upside are still looking good here. Yeah, 59, 58 to 60. Yeah, we're still looking good up in that region, 59 to 60 bucks. So watch out for that. Let's take a peek finally at BTC. Same dealio here. You got a nice little bounce right off the 1276. I have a feeling, guys, though, that we're all going to come back down and hit this 1276 and then bounce off. So I have a feeling Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin are going to make one more push to the downside. So you haven't missed your entry, I don't think. This is a nice little reversal piece, but I think we're going to be heading down to finish this out. Be careful. We might even wick down to 78.20, but chances are it'll just be a wick, and we're going to bounce off of that. Remember, we do have this nice three-wave structure, okay, and then we're getting a three-wave structure down. Now I'm looking for a three-wave structure to the upside. That's what I'm looking for, guys. We did hit our 83.30 target. That would have been a great place to have a short entry set in. I didn't have mine in, so I missed it. So I'm still in my long trade from 79.80. Excuse me, 79.50. It came back to my entry, and that's always frustrating when it does that. So it is what it is, and that's trading. Should have taken profit here or here, and then re-entered later because I knew it was coming. I just I'm busy with life. I don't have time to sit at a computer all the time and trade every move. So I tried to trade the larger moves. So once I got the pullback here, that's when I entered, and then waiting for the upside to $8,600. That's my upside target, $86 to $8,800, $8,900 for Bitcoin. That's what I'm looking for, a three-wave move to the upside. So I'm waiting for that. So let's watch for that. Looks like we are going to get that little down push right now. Looks like it's happening. We're going to get this push down to 1276 or even to wick down. But if it goes, your stop, if you enter, you should be entering the trade around here to the upside. But if and you should set your stops just on the other side of the 1618, somewhere around $7,800. That's a great stop. 70. If you want to be a little bit more conservative, you can put it underneath this low right here. So be careful, be safe, trade smart. There's your wave trajectory update for today. I'm looking for some kind of a three-wave structure to the upside. I imagine we could get this first and then up. So be careful, but I don't think so. Just looking at Bitcoin, at Litecoin and Ethereum, looks like they're ready to go with a three-wave structure to the upside. So let's wait and see what we get, guys. You guys have a fantastic Sunday. See you tonight at the live stream, 9 o'clock. We'll talk about some neat stuff. You have a great day. Bye-bye.